Yes students, today we are going to learn about data handling. So data handling. So in the previous class also we discussed about data handling. So what is actually data? What is actually data handling means? So the data handling means whatever the information we are getting, so that we should represent using pictures, bars, pie graphs. So this all information if you are representing in this way, so that we are going to learn in the data handling chapter. In the previous class also we discussed how to represent a data, collection of information. So what is actually data means? Data means the collection of information. The collection of information how to represent using pictograph. Using pictograph. So that we discussed in the previous classes. Pictograph means using pictures. Using pictures, then how to represent. Using picture, how to represent a data. So using 20 boys are there in the class or 300 boys are there in a school, then how to represent using pictograph, that we discuss. And also we discuss how to represent a data. Data means collection of information using bars, that we discuss in previous classes. And also we discuss the data handling using sectors, in a circle. So using sectors we represent a data, so that we discuss in earlier classes. Here also, so we are going to discuss all this what we did in previous classes, so that we recapitulate. And after that, so we are going to do some more, means we are going to discuss so how to represent the collection of information using frequency table, so that is using tally marks and frequency table. So then how to represent a data, so that we are going to discuss. And also we are going to discuss how to represent a data, so how to know, so using a bars how to represent the information, so that we are going to discuss. And also sectors, using sectors, all this again we recapitulate. And also so we should know how to represent a given data using so tally marks and frequency. Okay. See here students, in the warm up time, so look at the picture given, given below. So one picture is given, so see that picture. So what is there? So the boy, so one boy is given, so he is climbing on bars. Some bars are given, so that is small bar, little bit big bar, little bit big bar and little bit bigger bar. So 4 bars are given, so on a graph. So how many bars are given? 4 bars are given. So what the bars, these bars represents? So these bars represents the information about the data. So about the data, whatever may be the data it is. The small bar means small frequency, the big bar means the big frequency. By seeing only we can see that, so what is the more frequency, which is having a more frequency and which is having a less frequency. By seeing the graph we can see. Here also 4 bars are given. So by seeing only we can say that, so which one is the highest length in bar. So length of a bar is, the first one is highest length of a bar. The second bar is a little bit smaller than the first, and the third bar is smaller than the second, and the fourth bar is smaller than all the 4 bars. Okay. So here in your textbook it is given that here. So in a bar graph, this is a bar graph. In the bar graph, what is actually we are going to learn. So the title conveys, means whatever the title, this bar graph is a title. The title conveys, so whatever the title it shows, it conveys. So the information, whatever the information given, so in the bars, means whatever the information. Here suppose if school data is given, so the information here that represents school information given this bar. If population is given, that population information shows this bar. So means whatever the information is given, so that information shows using this bar. We can show the information, given information, by using the bars. Okay students. Yes students, in learning times, so we are going to discuss about how to write tally marks, with one example. Okay. See here, so in example, one example is given. So in this example, so what we are going to tally? So according to tally marks. So see here, what your favorite color? Here favorite color, so we are representing favorite color, so using a tally marks, then how to represent? See here favorite color, here 5 colors are given. So yellow color, red color, blue color, green color and pink color, total 5 colors. So ask some people what is their favorite colors. Ask some people and ask their favorite color. Suppose some people their favorite color is yellow, and some their favorite color is red and blue, green, pink, like this. Okay, first what we should do, so put a mark next to the color they like. First we should put a mark like this. If suppose if you ask a first person, so his favorite color is yellow, then keep one mark, one vertical line, so put one mark against yellow color. And another person, so second person, his favorite color is blue, then you keep one vertical line, you draw one vertical line against blue color. So in this way we should keep, so whatever their favorite color, so exactly, so next to that color, so we should draw a vertical line. Okay, so then, so if 4 people they like yellow color, so then should take 4 vertical lines, 4 vertical lines. Here red color, so in our survey, so 5 people they like red color, then how to represent red color? So using this vertical line. First 4 vertical lines we should draw next to the red, and one of the line, that is slanting line, we should take. So we should make 5 groups, 5 lines, 4 vertical line and 1 slanting line. So total 5 lines. Here it is 5. So here yellow color, total how many vertical lines? 4. So this is about 4. 4 people favorite color is yellow color, and 5 people, so their favorite color is red. And here, so by seeing only we can say that this is a group of 5 lines. So this is 5 and this is 6. So it is easy to say, how many people like, so blue color. By seeing only we can say, so how many people. So this group here, one group completed here. If one group is completed means 5 lines over, and this is one more line, total 6 lines, means 6 people, so they like blue color, their favorite color is blue color. And green color, only one vertical line, means only one, so he like green color. And here in pink color, 4 vertical lines are there, so 4 people they like pink color. Okay, so in this way we can say, so the total we should write here, so in the next box. Okay, so how to take vertical lines and how to make a group. So we should take 4 vertical lines, and fifth one, so we should take a slanting line, and you make a 5 group of lines. That means that is equal to 5. So this one group means that is 5, and one more means 6. In this way we can easily calculate how many number of people they like. So what is their favorite color? It is easy to say. So when our work is done to draw a slanting lines, so we can write the total here. We should write the total, so next to the slanting line. Okay, so this is the method to represent our information using tally marks table. Okay, students. Yes, students, see here in learning time second example. So in the second example, so what he has given, see here, first read the question. The scores obtained in 20 throws of a dice are given. So that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 6, 6, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4. So when the dice are thrown, when die is thrown, so then these are the scores. So in 20 times, in the first time the 5 came upside, and 4, so in the second time 4, in the third time 3, in the fourth time 2, fifth time so 1 came, and the sixth time, so in the same way, so total 20 times. If a die is thrown 20 times, then the scores are, so all the scores are given. Then, so for this what he is asking, to prepare the frequency table, we should prepare frequency table. So for this scores, so whatever the scores are given, so the information, whatever the information that is about the die, so that information, so we should prepare a frequency table. We should prepare a frequency table. Then here how to prepare frequency table? First, so in the table, first we should write scores. So these are the scores and tally marks and frequency. So in this way, first we prepare a tabular form. So here scores, in the scores, on a die total 6 faces were there. How many faces are there? So a die is having 6 faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the 6, so any one face come up. So it will come. So it means in total 6. So only one face will come up. Okay. So our scores we should take from 1 to 6. Scores are from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces. That is our scores. Okay. Then, so now tally marks. How to write tally marks? First, so you should observe the scores. So the first score is 5. 5 means, so here 5. So against 5 we should draw a line, vertical line. We should keep a vertical line against 5. So this is over. Next 4. So where is 4? Second score is 4. Here 4. So there you should take vertical line. So then after that 3. Where is 3? So in 3. So we should take a vertical line. So then 2. So then here we have a 2. So there you should take a vertical line. And 1. So where is 1? Here we have 1. So take vertical line there. Again 1. So again you should take one vertical line here. And 2. So where is 2? Here is 2. One vertical line. And after that 5. Where is 5? Here is a 5. There vertical line. And here 4. So where is 4? Here one vertical line. Here 6. 6 is here. So there you take one vertical line. Again 6. There you take one vertical line. Again 6. One more vertical line. 3 vertical lines. Then after that 3. So here we have a 3. There vertical line. And after that 2. So 2 here we have a 2. There you should take a vertical line. And after that 1. So where is 1? Here. So next to the 1. So you should take a vertical line. So then 4. Where is 4? Here we have a 4. So then in vertical line. So 3. So where is 3? Here we have 3, one vertical line. Then after that 2. Where is 2? Here 2. One vertical line. Again 2. After completing 4 vertical lines, we should take a slanting line. Okay. So then total 5 lines. Then after that 4. Where is 4? Here we have 4. Then total. Here. Now, so find the total and you should take here in the frequency. Here 3 vertical lines means the score is 3. So 3 times the score is 1. And here 5. So 5. 5 times we are getting score 2. And here 3 vertical lines means 3 times we are getting 3. And here 4. 4 times we are getting 4. And 2 times we are getting 5. And 3 times we are getting 6. Now once you check, so when we should add all this, we should get 20. So if you get less or more, then your answer is wrong, something you missed. So again you should check once. If you are not getting 20, this sum. So here 20 times given. 20 throws, how many? 20 times. So add 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The sum we are getting 20. So that means total 20 throws are there here. So it's first what we should take, first we should draw a table. Here in the first column take scores, second column tally marks, in third column frequency. Scores we should take 1 to 6. Why? Because so dice has 6 faces, the scores will 1 to 6. Then now you count scores. So how many times you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 according to the data. So by taking tally marks. How to take tally marks? So we should draw vertical lines, and after completing 4 vertical lines we should take one slanting line. So make 5 lines as a group. So then after that, if 6th one is there, then you go for the next group, and next in the next group you should take a vertical line. Okay. So now after that, so after taking tally marks, now count and write the total here. So that is our frequency. Okay. So this is the method to write tally marks, to prepare a tally marks table. Okay students. Okay. So now students, in activity first. So the first question. So write the numbers shown by the tally marks in each question. So we should write the numbers here in the boxes. So here the tally marks are given. Tally marks are given. So according to the tally marks, so we should count and write the number in the box. Okay students. Here tally marks. This is first group, second, third, fourth. In one group is equal to 5. Okay, 5 lines in one group, 5 observations. 5 observations in one group of tally marks. So here 5, 10, 15, 20 and 4, 24. It is easy to calculate. It is easy to calculate. When groups are there, just to add 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Now, in the second one, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, this is 30, complete group, 30 here. The total is 30 observations. It means 30 tally marks here. Now, this is 5, 10, 15, this is 16, the total 16. Okay. Now here only 5, only one group, so that is 5. Now in the fifth question, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 32 observations. Here 32 observations we have. Now in sixth question, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 27 observations, total 27 observations. Now in seventh one, so 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, here 18. Okay. So now the students, eighth question. In eighth question, this is 5, this is 10. So group of 5 lines, this is tally marks, 5 tally marks and 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 13 observations. Now here in ninth question, this is 5 and this is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. It is very easy to say when tally marks are given, then what is the total, what is the frequency, So here 4 slanting lines, 4 vertical lines we should take and 1 slanting line. So the total 5 group of lines. It is total 5 observations. So this group means 5 observations, 5 observations, 5 observations, 5 observations. If once the group is complete, that means 5 observations are there in that. So in that way, you should add 5 and 5 and 5 and write the total here. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20 and here 4, 24. In that way you should count and write. Okay. Whenever tally marks are given, so then it is very easy to say, no need to count all the lines. If we are taking all lines like this, one by one, 24 lines we are taking vertically, sometimes in counting we will miss one line. So if we make a groups, then so the observations, number of observation we will get accurately. So the observation you will get accurately. So by making the groups, or otherwise, so instead of taking groups, if you are taking 24 lines at a time, so then by counting sometimes it happens to miss 1 or 2 lines. So that time number of observation will so get less or more. So it is better. So this is the method to make tally marks by grouping 5 lines. So now 5, 10, 15, 20 and 24 like that. So all the observations you should count like that and write total how many observations are there in your frequency. In the same way, last one question is there, 10th question. That question you do as your home assignment. Okay students. Here now students, in activity 2, in activity first, the second question, so draw tally marks to count the pictures. So here some pictures are given, total 6 different pictures are given, different groups of pictures are given. So then first we should count tally marks. Then after that we should write the total. Okay. So here first, how many lollipops, here first lollipop is given, how many lollipops were there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lollipops were there. 12, how many lollipops were there? So now the students, in activity first, the second question. So draw tally marks to count pictures and write the number. So first in this question, what he has given, some group of pictures are given, total 6 group of pictures are given. First we should count and write the tally marks, then after that the total frequency we should write. See here, so how many lollipops were there? First 1, so you take one slant line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means the cross line, means slanting line. Then after that 6, next group 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 groups. Then 11, 12, 13, 14. So like this. So in this way we should take tally marks. So then here, so whistles. So how many whistles are given? First one slanting line, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. Then after that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then here buttons, some buttons were given. So first one, tally marks first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 11, 12. Now after that kites, about kites. How many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th is a slant line. Now here, so basket, how many baskets were there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after that 6, 7, 8. 8 baskets. Now here flower pots. How many flower pots were there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is about tally marks. In the tally marks first we should count one by one, and every 5th line we should take a slant line, and 6th line after that again we should change the group, and again you should draw a line, and 10th line again slanting line. Like this we make groups, 5 lines groups we make it. Now here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 lollipops. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 10 whistles. Then 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 buttons. Then here 5 kites. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 baskets. Now 3 flower pots. So this is the information, this is the data, so which we can represent using tally marks and the total, that is frequency. Okay students.